So here we go. This is a Nokia one that's been dropped and dropped on its side, so the smash point is there. Now you can get replacement screens, but on eBay the screens I've looked at aren't exact replacements for this particular model. So what I'm going to do is give my favourite a go, polyurethane varnish. Not to obviously fix it, but to see if we can improve the look of this. The phone's still functional, we just need to fill the gaps. Now this didn't have a protector around the side, but it did have like a Gorilla Glass plate on top, which obviously cracked in the same form as this, but obviously didn't do any protection because they got hit in the same position really. Just trying to get on the camera. There's a one also going up here. So yeah, that's the idea. Whether or not this is going to work, I don't know, but I thought we'd give it a go anyway. So let's get this varnish opened up. It's a clear gloss, so yeah, let's get it opened up and then dip some in and pop it into these cracks and just see what happens. Right, so we've got this lid open now. This stuff, incidentally, has been used on solar panels, cracked solar panels, because when they crack, the kind of performance goes down, and you can put this stuff on to improve that performance because of the diffusion of the light, yeah, the generation power goes down. So let's see if it works on this. I've got no idea what this is going to do, so we're just going to do a little bit of a dip in there and then drop it there. What we want ideally is it to go in the gaps. I don't know. Let's go. The other thing I'm not sure on is whether or not we wipe off the excess. I don't know. It's going to feel a bit funny when you're kind of swiping. You can have raised bits. It's a bit like a braille screen. Well, if this temporarily works, it's fine. It's not a permanent fix, is it? So that's it. That's the stuff on. Didn't need much. And you've got kind of interesting thing going on. Ooh, I'll tell you what I haven't done. There's a bit going off there. So let's get that bit done. I think I'm going to get quite a few thumbs down for this. I've got that feeling, but be generous. Come on. Come on. Give me the thumbs. Not the fingers. Right. I am happy with that now. Right, let's leave that to dry for a few hours and then we'll come back to it later and see what's going on. But as you can see, pretty interesting. It looks like it's... I'm tempted to wipe it. I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to get a kitchen towel and wipe it. Right, let's hold fire. Back in a sec. We are back with toilet roll. Ooh, quite like the finish on that. That's quite good. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down and then I'm going to finish this and show you what it looks like after. Right, this is the finished article. So, not too bad on swipe, but we got that bit up there. I think we're just going to let this dry now and come back to it, switch it on and see what the functionality is like. But it's a bit better. It's probably a bit more safer as well actually, because we're not going to have shards of glass coming out. So yeah, right, let's have a look at it a bit later on today. Right, so this is a couple of hours later on and we can see that things have dried out. We've still got the cracks obviously, but the varnish has gone in and filled them slightly, so you can't actually feel, when you touch it, broken glass. So this bit here though, we've got a bit of excess, so I'm going to get this off with a blade, which I'm going to take out of this knife, this Stanley knife. So yeah, let's give that a go and see if we can tidy up this bit. Okay, so we've got the blade, it's nice and sharp out of that knife, so we just need to gently scrape off this excess stuff. So you want it quite flat, like so. That's quite good. It hasn't done any more scratching. It's just taken that excess off. Let's just go across. I think that's it. Okay, so let's have a look at switching this on and see what we get. So with it switched off, obviously it still looks pretty bad, but switched on. And here it is fixed. Look at that. Oh no, it's wrong. That's not right. Hang on, that's my phone. Only joking. No, this is it here. So pretty happy with that. When you're swiping, you can't feel any of these cracks at all. The touch screen all still works. The light is catching the cracks, so they show up at different angles. This is quite a bright room, but to be honest, I don't know. If it was my phone, I would just leave it as is, because I don't want to spend out getting it fixed. But yeah, I think it's a good idea. So thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, don't forget to ask. I'll leave a link for the polyurethane varnish, and yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.